has is amendment, and right now it is equal between the steward and the air hostess. So this is also the achievement of the female cases. Judicial responses on the reproductive rights in Nepal, that the infertility should not be ground for divorce. There is a ground for divorce. One is the infertility of the, if the wife is has no child, that is the court furthermore implicitly stated that the importance of basis human rights like gender equality has its remote effect on the development of the human life in the aggregate. Therefore, even a little smell of gender discrimination in law or legal proceeding should not be allowed, as gender equality is the subject of the humanity and thus a subject of common interest equally valuable for all. The Supreme Court of Nepal scraps a provision in the Mulki, that is country court, that allows men to seek divorce on the grounds of women's infertility, saying that the provision contravenes with the constitutional guarantee to equality. The provision was discriminatory and violated women's rights and declared it inconsistent with the Constitution. The court further asked the government to promulgate an equal law on the husband and wife chapter of the country code. So that's why now in the law there is an amendment, and now it is that clause is void, and now it is equal between the male and female on the grounds of the divorce. And another case that is regarding to the that is the Supreme Court of Nepal struck a provision in the country code 1963 that allows men to seek divorce on the grounds of the women's infertility. That is one of the grounds that judicial responses to the right to identity. Another one case, there are so many cases regarding the identity, right to identity, that is the citizenship right to the women, and the women in Nepal, women cannot confirm the citizenship by mother's citizenship, but there is the norms and values of the citizenship rights are relating to the patriarchal norms and values. That's why the Sabina Dome has filed the writ petition. The Supreme Court made a decision on February 27, 2011, that a person who is ineligible for Nepali citizenship as per the legal and constitutional requirement remains ineligible regardless of the period of time they have spent in the country. However, the court's decision said that one who reaches their required age or can obtain citizenship if any one of their parents is a Nepali citizen. So this is one of the landmark decision by the Supreme Court. Now the Sabina Dome, who is who also have the citizenship by the mother's citizenship. This is also one of the achievement through the PIL cases. Thank you.
Thank you, Shashi.